Oh, the places we could go in an art car. And that includes our next stop, which today comes with some very appropriate transportation. Read the car and you'll know our destination. Saint Arnold Brewing, Texas's oldest craft brewery.
This car is awesome.
This is the place. We have art cars. We also happen to have a beer called Art Car.
Oh. Cheers.
Cheers. Art Car IPA.
Art Car IPA. I love it. I mean, it couldn't be more Houston.
There is nothing more Houston than the Art Car Parade, and maybe nothing more Houston than Art Car IPA,
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
This is Lennie Ambrose, marketing head honcho at Saint Arnold, who I've known personally for years. But first things first, who is Saint Arnold? Well, he's the patron saint of brewers. And not only did he brew beer, but even after his death, he miraculously multiplied a jar of beer to quench the thirst of his followers. What a guy. And so in his honor, these folks now quench the thirst of all of Houston. It was the early 90s when co-founders Brock and Nick started brewing beer in a closet at Rice University. Well, the operation is a little bigger these days, with everything done right here on site.
What do we have going on here, Lennie?
So, Chet, we produce a lot of cans, a lot of cans. The canning lines barely stop running all day, all night. We're doing variety packs, so that's mixing up a bunch of different beers, but then also we're doing some of our new cider line as well.
I didn't know y'all were in the cider game.
Oh, we are in the cider game.
Okay.
Sir.
Strawberry
Right
kiwi cider.
Strawberry kiwi cider.
So
it's like,
fresh, so fruity.
yeah, you know, you're like a kid with a juice box, but an adult juice box, right?
I'm all about that. Ah, it's delicious.
I know, refreshing, a
Yeah.
little sweet, a little tart.
It's the freshest cider I've ever tasted.
I know, and it's
Yeah.
cold right off the line, literally.
Today, St. Arnold produces 11 year-round beers, 7 predictable seasonal beers, cider, and by my count, about 3,000 other beverages. Hey, experimentation is the name of the game, especially in the barrel room.
I think the best style or the most classic is a big stout in a bourbon barrel.
Has this been in there 3 years?
3 years.
Wow.
And that beer is moving in and out of the barrel because of the temperature, and so the wood swells and contracts and
Yeah.
goes back and forth. And we have barrel masters that actually are coming here to taste it on a regular basis to see when it's ready.
How do you get the title Barrel Master? That's a cool one.
It's way beyond me. I don't know. Are you ready?
I mean,
Okay.
I'm no barrel master,
All right,
but
so
I think I can try it.
Okay.
Wow, cheers.
Smell it, please. Smell it first.
Oh,
I know, huh?
man. That's heaven. You need to put that in a candle is what you need to do. It's kind of changing too. There's a lot of more
Yeah.
chocolate coming out.
And I get a little leather even, kind of in the
Sure.
rich.
There you go. Wow.
The never-ending experiment to make the world's best beers. And the best place to taste all the concoctions the Saint has up his sleeve is here in the beer hall.
Was the vision from the beginning very traditional German and Czech beers?
Yeah, I think so. And then, like with anything, you kind of evolve, kind of veer off and try to do other stuff. That's one of the great things about visiting a craft brewery. If you come in and say, I'm a light beer drinker, mass-produced light beer drinker, what do you have? That bartender is going to know kind of how to guide you, and they want you to find what you want to drink. The city of Houston has always really embraced us, and we love the city of Houston. It is a community gathering place.
It's an experience always coming to St. Arnold. I just wish I lived closer. For real.
I think the crew has been watching me enjoy myself long enough. Time for the Saint to quench their thirst as well. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.